guys, this is Liz with Mom's Machines, and I am back with my cat Genie and Dexter, our black cat. In today's video, I'm going to be taking the Catgenie apart and cleaning it. It was way overdue, so if you don't want to see anything disgusting like cat poop, fur, and maybe some hair, you might not want to keep watching. But if you want to see what it is in real life to clean it, let's get going.
Here we go.
Started cleaning it. I actually took it outside and I forgot to show you one little part, and you actually are going to have to lift this off, and I'm not sure if I show this in the video or not. This just comes straight up, and then this unit lifts straight out of here. It just lifts straight up, and I'm just going to show you real quick. It lifts straight up like that, and I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but it was like a click. That's the switch. You do want to be careful with this. I just set it to the side, but you do want to be careful and not to drop it or let it fall. I actually did that and it kind of messed it up, but I since fixed it. So anyway, the other thing is that I don't show you in the video. I am going to take it apart, but somehow I forgot to, watch out Dexter, move. You take these off, and he's not going to let me do it, but you would lift this whole thing off, the very base, the very top of it. You take these off, and then he's like, watch out, move. Okay. You're going to take these off, which I do in the video. And so if this is off, then you're going to lift this front off. It kind of looks like a toilet seat. You'll see me in the end of the video putting it back on, but I didn't somehow tape it when I took it apart. So anyway, I just wanted to add that real quick note. But look at this. Look how nasty it is. It's been forever. And this vent in here, look at this. It's not going to do much blowing if it's full. Look at that. Okay, I have all the parts out here ready to take it apart more. And here's the bowl. The bowl lifts out, and there's this thing too. That's the little thing that turns the bowl, which is disgusting. Here I'm going to take the hopper. I believe this is called the hopper. Let's see if it comes out. Hold on. It just comes straight out. It's just so gunked up. It's filthy. Gotta clean it. Fun. And when you clean it, you don't want to lose this. It goes, I believe, down on the bottom, or here. It goes here. Otherwise the water is really messed up. I forget what. And it opens up like a clam shell. There it is. It opens up like a little clam shell, like that. And this lifts up. And you got to remember where all the parts are. So taking a video is not a bad idea. You open this, and then this lifts out. And you got to clean all the fur and hair in there. Yeah, it was way overdue. So I take all the little parts out of here. Don't forget you have these little rings. They fit in here, and then that. But I put them all in here. Now I'm just going to clean up this. I've got some mild detergent. I'm going to clean everything up and put it back together. When you rinse the bowl off, you can rinse all the stuff inside of it. Gets it pretty clean. And if you do, yeah, it's just surface. Really not too hard. I haven't put any soap or anything on it. I don't know if you're even supposed to, but most of this gunk came out. Let it soak a little bit. The nice thing is, when you do it, you have a drain. It comes out in the drain hose, so you don't have to dump it out every 5 minutes. I'm using the base as kind of a little dish sink. So I'm cleaning everything out, and then I'll put it back together. Cleaning it up.
Yeah, I got it right here.
Okay. Watch out, I'm going to spray.
I like the hill we have.
What?
The hill, we have natural hill.
There you go. I think that's pretty good. I think that's it. Now to put it all together. I've dried the outside of this. I got a little box just to put everything on. Go out on the concrete. I don't want to get all the little dust, so I'm going to put everything together and take it back inside. So this is the bowl. You see how much cleaner it is. I didn't get to the bottom of it. Ugh, it's nasty actually. But I'll do everything else and rinse that out. So the hopper, oops, as you see, it's together. This, and so that's why you got to keep all your little pieces together. So when it closes, this is going to spin around in here. So that's the way it goes. It goes under this latch.
How about the little O-ring we always told kids?
I'll show it to you. I'll show it to you in a second.
Okay.
Just a minute. I'm trying to figure that out too at the same time. It's the other way. Okay, these two little things, I know they go here. And it's one way or the other. There we go. That way. They have a little notch. So, and I don't think they can go in the other way. They'll go in one way. They can't go, I don't think they can go the other way. Yeah, they won't go in the other way. Maybe it is this way. No, it's this way. I know it's this way. Okay. Let me just look at my, that's a good thing about your video there. So this thing slides back and forth. See that little slot here? It's made for this part. So that goes in there. Then it closes like a clamshell. You want to make sure these things are in, the little gray. It closes like a clamshell. And I got this from Catgenie. It's the little ball that we lost last time we cleaned it. It goes in there. It just helps everything grind up. It looks just like a little bouncy ball. Don't forget this thing. You got to make sure that goes here. It goes right there. And the hopper goes straight back in. Drops in straight. That's it. No clicking or anything like that. Then this goes with these prongs sticking up like this. And then the claw, I don't know what it's called. It might be called the scooper. I just call it the claw. It just pops in one way or the other. See, it's going to scoop like that. Clips in. It just pops in. So when you take it out, you just close it together and it pulls out. So it goes in there. Then you put it up like that. I just had to clean the bottom of the bowl off. I hadn't cleaned it well. All right, so this just kind of slides in and turns. Yeah, I need to put more pellets. It's nice and clean. Wow, it really cleaned up nice. Just sets. I did this in the wrong order. Has to go
The scooper.
here. It goes right on top of there. There it is. That's it. Then you pull the scooper thing out. Put the claw back on. It just pops in. There you go. And then you can put it back in like that. You have to take it off before you take this thing off. I forgot about that. And I'm just wiping everything off dry. I did all that. I might as well make it look pretty. It clicks together in the front. Okay. Let it dry for a minute. Oh, I almost forgot this, but I didn't. This is the water sensor. It goes right down in here. Like that. And I'm just going to take it in separately so I don't have to carry such a big bulky thing. Okay, so it's all clean, mostly put together. And we'll take it inside. I'm going to first put the pan on. I got the pan underneath it. I'll show it to you when I put it back in. And we'll put it up and it's all beautifully clean. So this is basically a dog kennel tray that I use to put under the genie, and I am just putting some felt little things, stickers on it, so when I slide it around in there, it doesn't scratch up the hardwood underneath it. Get up. And right here I'm putting in the processing unit that I talked about at the beginning of the video. It actually has the fresh water hose and the dirty water hose connected to it.
Hello, and welcome to Catgenie AI.
So here I'm just plugging everything up and putting the pieces back together, the little square, and you see the processing unit is on. And then I added some of the pellets back to it. And I think I put the igloo pop back on too.
Picked it back up. She took it to
There you go, here it is, the tray, the little honeycomb thing, which works great, except we have one cat that likes to pee in it, so, and looks like someone already got their little paw in there. Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, Dexter. You always somehow get into the video. Always. Oh. There.